Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video for your Windows PC. And today I'm going to show you how you can restore the missing high performance plan in Windows 10 and also for 11. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, to check it, go to your control panel, and here as you can see the power option, click that option, and here there is no high performance power option here, so we're going to restore it. And to restore it, go to your search option and search CMD and right click it here and click it as run as administrator and click yes again. And here you have to type a command. It's a long command. I'm gonna just paste this command onto my command form. This is a long command. I will give it to my description, so just copy and paste it from there. Just copy and just paste it here and just click enter here. And as you can see, the high performance option is already been in place and or restored in my PC. So I'm going to show you again if it's restored or not. Again, go to my control panel, and here go to my power option again. And as you can see, my high performance is restored in my PC. Here is the high performance option. So in this way, you can easily restore your high performance option in your PC. This is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.